Ciao friends! I want to take a few minutes to summarize what happened in the world of DAX in 2020. DAX added new functions, 49 financial functions that derive from similar functions in Excel and 4 other minor functions. Nothing special, but 2 events were very important this year. In July, Power BI Desktop added the External Tools functionality. Tools like DAX Studio and Tabular Editor can be executed from the Power BI ribbon and can interact with the model. This way, you can create calculation groups and KPIs in Power BI Desktop. These features are fully supported in Power BI reports, and you can create models with these features without having to use Visual Studio and XMLA endpoints. In December, the preview of a new Composite Models feature enabled the mashup of different Power BI datasets and analysis services databases in the same model. The official name is Direct Query for Power BI Datasets and Analysis Services. Very long, right? When we look for a friendlier name, be aware that this feature will change the reporting landscape in the coming years. It will take time, but it will be important to your job. So don't adopt it too early, but don't ignore it too long. What about SQL BI? If you follow our YouTube channel, you notice that we increased the production of videos. We are trying to get articles and videos for most of the topics we cover, but we did many other things at SQL BI. We released the second edition of DAX Patterns, a new website, a new book, and new videos. We extended the Mastering DAX video course, adding new videos and exercises. We improved our learning platform, adding transcripts and improving bookmarks and layout options. We published a new free video course about DAX tools, which covers DAX Studio, Vertipack Analyzer, and Analyzing Excel for Power BI Desktop. We might extend it in the future, but it will continue to be free. Finally, we contributed to tools like Vertipack Analyzer, DAX Studio, DAX Formatter, Analyzing Excel for Power BI Desktop, and we also wrote code in Microsoft Power BI Desktop as part of the Microsoft Power BI Contributor Program. We already started working on something new you will see in 2021. You can see several details in the linked article below, but the more interesting things, NDA. If you want to receive updates promptly about SQL BI, go ahead. Register to our newsletter and subscribe to our YouTube channel following the links below. On behalf of all the people who work at SQL BI, I wish you a great 2021.